the Saurus.
Excited about the puppet show, Greg?
Yeah, check out my puppet.
Look at Greg playing with dolls.
It's not a doll, it's a puppet.
Yeah, whatever. Smell that? The cafeteria's making cookies. Yum!
Don't worry about Cameron, Greg. Let's get a good spot for the puppet show.
Yeah!
What? The puppets? They're gone.
Gone?
Sorry, kids. We can't have a puppet show without puppets.
No! A moth. Luna Girl must have been behind this. PJ Masks, we're on our way! Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy!
The PJ Masks!
Let's find those puppets to the cat car!
What was that?
It's gone!
Dance, puppets, dance! I found the puppets!
Wait, we need to find out what that thing in the road was.
You guys go look for it. I'm just going to go in here and watch the puppets. I mean, stop Luna Girl. Super Gekko camouflage.
No way! It's Cameron!
Yes, he's sleepwalking. He's asleep, but he's dreaming that he's walking around.
We need to get him back to bed.
Yeah, but we can't use super speed or fly him home. That would totally wake him up and give him a bad shock.
Yeah! Woohoo! Huh? Oh, give those puppets back, Luna Girl.
Ha! No chance, lizard legs. Moths, show him what you can do.
Hey, that's not funny.
Aha! Yes, it is. It's the best puppet show ever.
Whoa!
Nice going, lizard boy.
Huh?
Okay, here's the plan. Gekko? Gekko, are you okay?
Yeah, but get the puppets.
PJ Masks, to the rescue! Super cat speed!
Get them, moths. Owl wing wind. Moths, what are you doing?
Good job, PJ Masks. Are the puppets okay?
Yeah, but Cameron's not. We left him because we thought you were in danger.
Who's Cameron?
I was just trying to get the puppets back. What's Cameron doing here?
Who's Cameron? He's sleepwalking. Who's Cameron? We have to help him get home.
Yeah, he needs our help more than the puppets.
Who's Cameron? I bet he'd make a great puppet.
She's going to wake him. Let's stop her.
Don't just throw the puppets on the floor. Look how great they are. That's it, puppets. Do a little dance, then wave to my friends.
Stay back, Luna Girl. You shouldn't wake a sleepwalker. Maybe I won't wake him, but I will play with him. Come to Luna Girl, puppet boy.
No! on, puppets. I have to go and help my friends.
He's mine now. Super Owl Wing! Super Cat Jump! Got you, snoring boy!
That's it. Sit down here, nice and comfy. Okay, coming.
Look at him! He looks like a plodding old dinosaur. A snoring dinosaur. I'm going to call him, Snorasaurus.
Wow, Luna Girl's actually pretty good at moving him like a puppet.
Gekko, we need to get that Luna magnet, but we can't wake Cameron.
You wouldn't be in trouble if you hadn't been messing around with those puppets. Are you with us?
Yes, of course. Sorry.
Okay, ready, PJ Masks?
Owl Wing Wind! What? Get off, Moths! My Luna magnet! Give it back!
Okay, Cameron, let's get you to bed. Now, how does this thing work? Whoa!
Gekko, what are you doing?
I'm getting Cameron to safety. Check it out.
I'm the Snorasaurus. I'm stomping home to bed.
Come on, this way. Oops. Sorry, this way.
Gekko! Stop messing around!
No, this is good. Now I've got Cameron and the puppets.
Let go of me! Can't hold on! Gekko, stop trying to puppeteer him.
You're going to hurt him.
It's okay. I'm getting Cameron to safety.
After him! Gasping geckos! That doesn't look very safe.
I can't stop him. If he falls off, he'll really hurt himself.
Yeah, and then he'll definitely wake up.
Maybe I can lift him down.
Whoa!
Oh, it's no good. I can't get to him. Fluttering feathers!
Oh, this is all my fault. If I hadn't been messing around, Cameron would be safe in bed by now.
It's okay, Gekko, but now we need to get him down.
Take this. It's time to be a hero. Super Gekko muscles! I've got him!
Moths, get my Luna magnet back. Come here, Snorasaurus. Almost there. Whoa! Uh-oh! I can't reach him. How can we get him back to the ground?
Phew.
Get away from him! He's mine! Whoa! Come here! Come on, guys! Now we need to lead Cameron to bed!
I know! Lead him by his nose. Cameron always follows a yummy smell, remember?
Cookies! Super Cat Speed!
Cookies, yes! Gotcha! You're my puppet now! No, he's mine! No, 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 no! We did it! Yeah! Where's Cameron?
that Luna magnet so well, it'll take her ages to find it. Now let's get Snoresaurus safely to bed. PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
Oh, sorry. No more messing around.
'Cause in the night we save the day!
Hey, Cameron, what are you doing?
Nothing. I mean, this is harder than it looks.
Yeah, but I'll show you how.
Check it out! It's walking!
Yeah, and smelling a yummy cookie.